Hello everybody, it's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a guest with me. Drum roll please. Izzy!
Hi.
And she is my friend, and we are having a sleepover, so we thought we would do a fun video. So today I'm going to be revealing all of my
Slimes.
slime.
And there's a special...
And there's a special thing at the end we are going to be doing.
And there's my slime that I made today.
She's gonna
and it's like beep.
It's like Galaxy slime. Was that
I
the
made
beep? Galaxy?
Yeah.
Sorry.
And
but
the Galaxy
get right
slime
on with the video.
The Galaxy slime is beep.
Why do you keep on saying beep? Okay.
Because you said beep when you said bad words.
The first slime is this really nice blue slime. It's like super stretchy and really fun. And it's like you can blow bubbles. And so let's see how clicky it is.
The one that is at the end is like, it's not really slime.
It's putty.
It's putty. But it's like Galaxy putty.
Here's a sneak peek.
Yeah, you didn't really see it that good, though.
So this is kind of clicky. Not really. So.
And we got these really cute chokers. It says Lucky.
Yeah.
And one of them has like a shamrock on it, and it's black.
I call this rainforest slime because it's green. Like the color is literally like the rainforest. You guys can't see that texture. Let me try and get it to focus. I don't know if you guys can exactly see the color. Focus. Come on, camera, focus. Okay.
The camera's focusing.
And this is literally, like, I added a lot of glitter to this. So, the green rainforest.
And the one we did today and we're going to show is made with this.
Yeah.
Clear glitter. It's not exactly clear.
Did I already show this?
Yeah,
I just showed that. Okay. Next slime I made a while ago. But this is like a really good slime. And
can I play with it?
When I'm all done showing it.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
She's ripping it.
I'm ripping.
And let's see how clicky this one is. If I can get it off me.
It's not clicking right now.
Oop.
I heard some clicks.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of clicky, not really.
There's a lot of slime on our hands.
Let me get cleaned up and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, next slime is, I tried to make Galaxy slime. I made this yesterday. I tried to make Galaxy slime. Go grab it. Okay, so this is like, I forgot to do something last night, so I'm going to add a detail to it. But it's also like really, really bad. So I'm going to add some borax in it.
I'm dyeing my hair.
So I am adding a half a teaspoon to it, and I'm just going to mix it.
I'm just going to mix this.
Okay, so I made this better, but now we're going to make it even more better. And add this really nice blue holographic glitter.
I just add some of that into mine.
Don't, because you're going to show them that later.
Right. I just added some of that into mine. Here, I'm going to add some, a little bit more.
I'm just going to mix this.
Okay, I think that's good.
Mix it up.
Mix it up.
Okay.
It's freaking cool. I mean, look at that, Danny. Look.
The next slime is like really
And if you don't know what my channel is, don't watch it.
We'll put it down below.
Yeah, but don't watch it. It's for 10 and older.
Cussing.
Yep, cussing. If you didn't hear what she said, cussing.
This one is kind of bad. I'm going to give this slime to you.
No, I don't want it.
It's good.
No!
Okay, fine.
It's yours.
Okay, next.
This holographic glitter is awesome.
Yes, it is. This is the best slime ever. I swear, guys. Like, look at that.
I know, it's like seafood.
It's we use glitter glue to make it.
This glue?
Glitter glue.
Oh, that's why it's like
That, yeah.
Can I play with that one?
When I'm done.
You always say
I
that.
can
and
see
never
you
do.
guys through. It's gone now. Literally, guys, look. So this is my pants, right? You can sit on my pants and then I can take it off and it won't even, like, stick.
It won't even, like, leave a mark.
Okay.
Freaking mark. You
Best.
said I could play with it.
Oh, I forgot to click it. I've been forgetting to click.
Okay,
That's very clicky.
Ooh, that's very clicky.
So this is, like,
If you can't hear it.
adorable slime.
Oh, yeah. You melted, like, a stick in there.
This is, like, super liquidy.
Yeah, we made that one today.
Very, very bad.
Bad, bad, bad.
Bad to the bone.
Like, hear this clicking. Oh, my God.
One sec, guys. Okay, guys, so yesterday I made a channel for a video on this slime. And so basically what happened was me, Izzy, and my brother
Made a jumbo
the
slime.
same exact slime with a lot of glue. And then we compared it. We made it jumbo. And so I have a lot of this.
I'm still fine with this one.
And it ended up being super good. Their slime wasn't that good, but mine was.
And now
And I feel like that's what, like, the touch was that made it, like, really good was my slime. And it's, like, really, really good. And I think this is clicky.
Yeah, that's
clicky.
Let's scoot over so I can be in the video.
Or we can do like that. No.
So just scoot over.
Okay.
My legs are just going right there. I'm gonna be mixing mine. Mine is like not
Three
right,
more to go.
really good. 3 more.
So this
they're in these, like,
is
tiny pieces.
like
Like,
this
here,
is
let
the
me
same
play with-
exact slime as I have somewhere else. So I have this slime right here, and I have this slime, and they're literally the same exact thing.
Except this one has like a little.
That has a little
purple.
bit of purple, but
The same. Just mix it up.
now I
Mix it
got
up.
even more. That is a lip. I just tried to put that on top of it.
Like your mind.
I'm stupid sometimes. Okay. Oh. This is like super like I don't even remember making this. Like oh yeah, dude, this has a ton of like beads and stuff in it.
It looks like glue. It has.
So there's a ton of like beads and stuff in it. Yeah, there we go. You guys can see that. Yeah, this is really good slime. I haven't played with this in a long time.
See how clicky that is? That's like really clicky.
I don't think you guys could hear that, but it was super clicky.
That was really loud. I'm gonna keep on playing with this one, the one at the end.
So this is like really like weird slime. Like this is the same as. Oh, by the way, this is baby blue slime because it's like the color baby blue. So the one I doubled was this, and these are like super similar, and I wanted this to be this color, so I'm just gonna mix it up into it. So it's like, there's like gonna be like, yeah, it's teal. So there's gonna be like a glance of like a different color. And hand me the glitter, please. I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter to like,
This stuff is amazing.
jazz it up. Guys,
Jazzy.
when she got here, this was filled. It's empty, almost,
Yeah,
because
we
how much
used a
she
lot.
used. Like, the glitter's
There's
not
not
even,
even-
like, showing, so we're gonna add more.
Like a lot.
Okay, now we got some glitter to show. You guys can't see that, but let's see how clicky this is. Okay.
You make a lot of blue ones.
Because I love the color and I have so much blue food coloring. Okay. Now for Izzy's slime. Oh wait, did I show this? Oh,
No.
it's
yeah.
this stuff.
Alright.
Oh,
Moving over.
okay.
Right there.
So
this is my slime.
this is her slime, and it's cool. Like, she tried to make galaxy slime, but like it's not like it's not galaxy slime. Let's get a better shot. It's not like it's not galaxy slime, it just didn't activate. So we should add some more activator.
Where's the activator?
Actually, no, we shouldn't. It's okay.
Had it.
So I know where it is. This is her slime. It kind of turned out, but it's like when you touch it, that's your slime. So there you go.
Gross.
It's your slime.
Look what you did to me.
Fangirls. Okay, guys. So we're gonna add some more glitter to her slime. Well, that was way too much.
Did we make a secret handshake?
Okay, guys. So now, for the secret surprise you guys have all been waiting for is finally here. Grab the container, the box it came in. So, you can't see. Izzy, move.
I am.
No, you're not. Move that way. Move that way.
Whoa!
Okay, guys.
I'm playing on my phone.
We got something. Move.
Nice.
We got
I'm gonna play some
this.
music.
Boom.
I'm playing some music to get the groove going.
This is Brain
Come on,
Putty. Comism. And it's really fun to play with. But it's like super rippy. And we're gonna add some more glitter. Because there's like, you can never have too much glitter.
It's like so liquidy.
And so I'm gonna add that much glitter. So liquid. Okay, if you get that on my phone, I'm literally gonna need to punch you in the face. Okay, guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you smash that like button in the face and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Love you guys.